In this video, I'm going to give you a clue of a question, and yeah, this is the clue. This brand mentioned in my song, Designer Boy, made a later version of the iconic IKEA shopping bag. This brand mentioned in my song, Designer Boy, made a luxury leather version of the iconic IKEA shopping bag. Now I'll give you the answer for the question, okay? And the correct answer for the question is Balenciaga. So that's the answer for the question, Balenciaga. Balenciaga.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment, say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.